So yesterday it rained and today it is sunny. So all the moisture that is in the soil is evaporating, leaving behind a cracked and textured and desolate look to the ground. This is what I'm looking to capture today. So this scene tells many stories in my mind. There's a sapling that clearly has grown in fresh spring green leaves, and then they've dropped to the ground, and all around it is cracked, drying earth, and it's just very desolate, a bit hopeless. We're shooting at 640ths of a second at f8 ISO 100 on a 105mm lens. That'll do it.